In this lecture, we are going to observe the problem on design of FIR filters using Fourier series method. Design an ideal bandpass filter with a frequency response of HD of e power j omega is equal to 1 for 5 by 4 less than or equal to mod omega less than or equal to 3 5 by 4 equal to 0. Otherwise remaining values it is. Find the value of h of n for capital N is equal to 11 and plot the frequency response it is. Here now we are designing the FIR filter, bandpass FIR filter it is. Here by using Fourier series method, the following are the steps to design the bandpass FIR filters it is. In the first step, from the given specifications of filter, we are determining the impulse response of the filter it is. Here from the given specification, from the given HD of e power j omega, we are determining the HD of n it is. Here this HD of n means impulse response. HD of n is the impulse response. Here this impulse response is infinite duration sequence it is. Infinite duration sequence. Here first of all we are representing HD of e power j omega in graphical form. Here on y-axis we are taking HD of e power j omega, and x-axis we are taking omega it is. Here HD of e power j omega means amplitude. HD of e power j omega is what? Amplitude is 1 in this interval 5 by 4 less than or equal to mod omega less than or equal to 3 5 by 4. Here mod omega means for positive values of omega and negative values of omega. For negative values of omega means minus 5 by 4 to 3 5 minus 5 by 4 to minus 3 5 by 4, minus 5 by 4 to minus 3 5 by 4. HD of e power j omega is 1. Similarly, positive values of omega, that means 5 by 4 to 3 5 by 4, 5 by 4 to 3 5 by 4. HD of e power j omega is 1 it is equal to 0. HD of e power j omega is equal to 0. Remaining values, otherwise means remaining values, remaining intervals. This is the graphical representation of HD of e power j omega. In the first step, we are determining the Fourier series quotient, means HD of n it is. How to calculate HD of n? HD of n is equal to 1 by 2 pi integral minus pi to pi HD of e power j omega into e power j omega n it is. J omega n d omega. Here from the definition of HD of e power j omega, here means we are defining the integral. We are defining the integral based upon the amplitude of HD of e power j omega it is. Here 0 value gives nothing to sum to this integral it is. Here means we are breaking this integral into two integrals. Here one integral from what? Minus 3 5 by 4 to minus 5 by 4. HD of e power j omega into e power j omega n d omega it is. Plus another integral what? From 5 by 4 to 3 5 by 4. HD of e power j omega into e power j omega n d omega it is. Here HD of n is equal to what? 1 by 2 pi. Here minus 3 5 by 4 to minus 5 by 4. HD of e power j omega is what? 1. HD of e power j omega is 1 into e power in this interval. HD of e power j omega is 1. E power j omega n d omega it is. Plus 5 by 4 to 3 5 by 4. 5 by 4 to 3 5 by 4. HD of e power j omega is what? 1. 1 into e power j omega n d omega it is. Here 1 here which is equal to 1 by 2 pi integration of e power j omega n with respect to omega is what? E power j omega n by j n it is. Intervals minus 3 5 by 4 to minus 5 by 4 it is. Plus similar integration of e power j omega n is with respect to omega is e power j omega n by j n. Here limits 5 by 4 to 3 5 by 4 it is. Here now, here in these two terms, common term is what? Jn it is. Here I am taking out it is 1 by 2j pi n it is. 1 by 2j pi n. Here applying upper limit and the lower limit to this term. Here first of all we are applying the upper limit. E power, in place of omega we are writing limits. Here e power minus j 5 by 4 n. Here minus the lower limit it is, minus e power minus j 3 5 by 4 n, plus here also we are applying the upper limit and the lower limit it is. First we are applying the upper limit minus the lower limit it is. Here e power j 3 5 by 4 n minus the lower limit e power j 5 by 4 n it is. Here we are taking this 2j, we are dividing these two terms with the 2j. Here, we are dividing this term, total term, with 2j it is, and separating the terms it is. Here e power minus j 5 by 4 minus e power j 5 by 4 n, e power minus j 5 by 4 n minus e power, in these two terms we are taking common is minus e power j 5 by 4 n minus e power minus j 5 by 4 n it is. In these two terms, here simply we are writing e power j 3 5 by 4 n minus e power minus j 3 5 by 4 n by 2j it is. Here which is equal to what? E power j theta minus e power minus j theta by 2j it is. Here which is equal to what? Sin theta it is. The theta value is what? 3 5 by 4 n it is. Here this is also similar form, e power j theta minus e power minus j theta by 2j, which is equal to what? Sin theta. Sin theta value is what? 5 by 4 n it is here. Here this can be written as what? 1 by pi n. This can be written as 1 by hd of n is equal to 1 by pi n of sin 3 5 by 4 n minus sin 5 by 4 n it is. Here it is of infinite hd of n is of infinite duration, minus infinity less than or equal n less than or equal infinity. Here this is the first step. Here what is the second step? Here in the second step we are truncating the hd of n to capital N samples it is. Third step is what? Second step is what? In the second step we are truncating the hd of n to capital N samples. Here what is the capital N value? Capital N is 11 given, that is given it is. Here capital N is 11. Here we are truncating this hd of n to 11 samples it is. Here means we are representing the new sequence, that is we are expressing that sequence in terms of what? Impulse response. Here this is also impulse response. H of n is equal to what? hd of n for mod n less than or equal to 5 it is. Here actually hd of n is what? Symmetrical impulse response. Here it is symmetrical about what? Alpha is equal to 0, means it is symmetrical about n is equal to 0 it is. Here hd of n is symmetrical about n is equal to 0, means h of n is also symmetrical about n is equal to 0 it is. Here means h of n is hd of n from minus 5 to minus 5 less than or equal n less than or equal 5 it is. Remaining values it is 0. Actually this impulse response is symmetrical impulse response. It is symmetrical about what? Alpha is equal, means n is equal to 0 it is. So what is the condition for symmetrical impulse response? Here h of n is equal to h of minus n it is. Okay, h of n is equal to h of minus n. Here first of all I am writing h of n in terms of this equation, hd of n it is. Here h of n is equal to what? 1 by pi n of sine 3 phi by 4 n minus sine phi by 4 n for mod n less than or equal to 5 equal to 0, remaining values it is. Here hd of n is symmetrical means h of n is also symmetrical. Here it is symmetrical about what? N is equal to 0. Your condition is what? H of n is equal to h of minus n it is. Here now we are determining this h of n corresponding to n is equal to minus 5 to 5 it is. Here means simply we are taking n is equal to 0 to 5 it is. Symmetrical means h of 1 is equal to h of minus 1, h of minus 2 is equal to h of minus 2, h of 3 is equal to h of minus 3, h of 4 is equal to h of minus 4, h of 5 is equal to h of minus 5 it is. Here from the symmetrical impulse response it is. We are determining this h of n for n is equal to 0 to 5 it is. N is equal to 0 to 5. First we are substituting n is equal to 0 it is in this equation. Okay, in this summation. Here h of that is h of 0 is equal to limit n tends to 0. Here limit n tends to 0. Here sine 3 phi by 4 n by phi n. Here now we are multiplying with this term with 3 by 4 and dividing with 3 by 4 it is. Here this is of the form it is, one form it is. Here limit theta tends to 0 sine theta by theta. Here its value is what? 1 it is. Okay, minus this is multiplied with 1 by pi n. Here and applying limit n tends to 0. Here sine 5 by 4 n by pi n. Here this term is multiplied with 1 by 4 and divided with 1 by 4 it is. Here similar form, this is of similar form it is. The limit theta tends to 0 sine theta by theta form it is. Here its value is what? 1. Here what is the value? This is the h of 0 is equal to what? 3 by 4. This term is 1. 3 by 4. Remaining is 3 by 4. 1 into 3 by 4. 3 by 4 it is. Minus this value is what? 1. 1 into 1 by 4. Means minus sign is there. Minus 1 by 4 it is. This is equal to what? 2 by 4. Means 1 by 2. H of 0 value is what? 0.5 it is. Similarly n is equal to 1. Here h of n is symmetrical impulse response. Means h of 1 is equal to h of minus 1 it is. Here we are substituting n is equal to 1 in this equation. Here 1 by pi of sine 3 phi by 4 n value is 1 minus sine 5 by 4 n value is 1 here it is. Here this value is equal to, this value is 0 it is. 0. Here h of 1, h of minus 1 is equal to what? 0. Similarly n is equal to 2. Here h of 2 is equal to h of minus 2 is equal to what? 1 by n value is 2. 1 by 2 pi of sine 3 phi by 4 into n value is what? 2. Here 2 2 ja 4 it is. Here sine 3 pi by 2 it is. Minus sine 5 by 4 n is 2. Here 2 2 ja sine 5 by 2 it is. Its value is what? Minus 2 by 2 pi it is. Here its value is equal to what? Minus 0.3183 it is. Similarly, where n is equal to 3, substituting n is equal to 3, h of 3 is equal to what? H of minus 3 it is. From the symmetry of impulse response, here 1 by, we are substituting n is equal to 3 here it is. 1 by 3 pi sine 3 phi by 4 into 3 minus sine 5 by 4 into 3 means sine 3 phi by 4. Its value is equal to what? 0 it is. H of 3 is equal to h of minus 3 is equal to 0. Similarly n is equal to 4. It means h of 4 is equal to h of minus 4 is equal to what? 1 by 4 pi of sine 3 phi by 4 into 4 minus sine 5 by 4 into 4 it is. Here its value becomes what? 0 it is. H of 4 is equal to h of minus 4, that is equal to 0 it is. Similarly, n is equal to 5. Here means we are substituting n is equal to 5. H of 5 is equal to h of minus 5 is equal to what? 1 by 5 pi of sine 3 5 by 4 into 5 minus sine 5 by 4 into 5. Here, its value is equal to what? 0. Here h of 5 is equal to h of minus 5 is equal to 0 it is. Here this impulse response is what? Non-causal sequence it is. Here now we are this is our second step. In the second step we are determining the h of n. Here this h of n is what? Truncating the impulse response hd of n it is to Kaplan samples. Here from that we are determining h of n. This h of n is what? H of n is symmetrical impulse response. It is symmetrical about n is equal to 0 it is. Here means the impulse response is non-causal sequence it is. Here now we are determining the transfer function of the filter it is. Transfer function of the filter. How to determine transfer function of the filter? By using Fourier series. Here this is the formula to calculate the transfer function of the filter. How to calculate it? One, h of z is equal to what? H of 0 plus summation n is equal to 1 to Kaplan minus 1 by 2 h of n into z power minus n plus z power n. Here already we are substituting h of 0 value. Already we are calculating h of 0. What is the h of 0 value here? H of 0 is 0.5 it is. We are similarly h of 1, h of 2, h of 3, h of 4, h of 5. We are substituting here it is. Okay. Here in this equation we are substituting h of 0, h of 1, h of 2, h of 3, h of 4, h of 5 values it is. Here h of z is equal to h of 0 is 0.5 plus summation n is equal to 1 to Kaplan minus 1 by 2 value is what? 5. H of n into z power minus n plus z power n it is. We are expanding this one from n is equal to 1 to 5. Here the equation like this it is. Here after now we are substituting h of 1, h of 2, h of 3, h of 4, h of 5 values in this equation it is. Here 0.5 plus h of 1 value is what? H of 1 is 0. Here 0 into z power minus 1 plus z is 0 it is. Plus h of 2 value is minus 0.3183 it is. Into z power minus 2 plus z power 2 it is. Here h of 3 value 0, h of 4 value is 0, h of 5 value is 0 it is. Here 0 into this term is 0, 0 into this term is 0, 0 into this term is 0 it is. Here h of z is equal to what? 0.5. Here h of z I am writing it of the form h of z is equal to minus 0.3183 z power 2 plus the constant term 0.5. Next minus 0.3182 z power minus 2 it is. Here means we are representing it of the form summation n is equal to minus infinity to infinity h of n into z power minus n form it is. Here now we are obtaining what? Physical realizable system it is. In the fourth step, this is the third step. In the third step we are determining what? Non-causal filter transfer function it is. Then we are determining causal filter transfer function it is. Means transfer function of a realizable system it is. Here how we can obtain a transfer function of a realizable system? Simply we are multiplying this h of z with z power minus Kaplan minus 1 by 2 it is. From the Fourier series method. What is the fourth step? we are determining the transfer function of physical realizable system. It is how to determine the transfer function of the physical realizable system, that is h dash of z is equal to what? How to obtain this one? Z power minus capital N minus 1 by 2 into h of z. Here capital N minus 1 by 2 value is what? 5. Here we are multiplying this one with what? Z power minus 5 it is. Here that is the transfer function of the realizable system, causal system it is. Here h dash of z is equal to z power minus 5 into h of z is equal to what? Minus 0.3183 z square plus 0.5 minus 0.3183 z power minus 2. Here we are multiplying this one with these three terms it is. The equation becomes like this it is. Here minus 0.3183 into z power minus 5 into z power 2, z power minus 3 it is, plus 0.5 into z power minus 5 minus 0.3183 z power minus 5 into z power minus 2, z power minus 7 it is. Here we are comparing this one with what? Summation n is equal to minus infinity to infinity h of n into z power minus n. Actually h of n is causal system it is, means summation n is equal to 0 to, here actually impulse response of causal filter we are determining h of n for capital N is equal to 11 it is. Here means n is equal to 0 to what? 10 h of n into z power minus n it is. Here we are comparing this equation with this equation. Here n is equal to 0 to 10 it is. Here means h of 0 and h of 10 value is what? 0 it is. H of 1, h of 9 value is also 0 it is. H of 2 and h of 8 also 0. No terms here. H of 1, 2, 3, 3 value is known it is. H of 3. H of 3 value is what? Minus 0.3183. Here which is equal to what? H of 7 it is. H of 7. H of 7 value is what? Minus 0.3183 it is. Similarly h of 4. H of 4 term is what? 0. H of 4 is 0. Here, which is equal to what? H of 4 is equal to h of 6 is equal to 0. H of 5 is equal to what? H of 5 value is what? 0.5 it is. Here the impulse response is what? This is the impulse response of the given band pass filter it is. Impulse response of given band pass filter for capital N is equal to 11 it is. Here question is completed it is. Here actually next we are calculating what? Frequency response of the band pass frequency response of FIR filter it is. Here how we can calculate the frequency response of FIR filter? From the impulse response of FIR filter it is. Here what is the impulse response? This is our impulse response it is. Here from this we are observing here the impulse response is symmetrical about alpha value it is. Alpha is equal to what? Capital N minus 1 by 2 means 5. It is impulse response is symmetrical about the sample h of 5 it is. H of 5. Here means for the impulse response is symmetrical impulse response. Capital N is equal to what? 11. Capital N is odd it is. For this case we are determining the frequency response it is. How we can determine frequency response for a symmetrical impulse response and capital N odd? Here by using this formula it is. H of e power j omega is equal to what? E power minus j omega capital N minus 1 by 2 summation n is equal to 0 to capital N minus 1 by 2 a of n cos omega n it is. From this h bar of e power j omega. H bar of e power j omega is equal to what? This one it is. Here summation n is equal to 0 to capital N minus 1 by 2 a of n cos omega n it is. How we can calculate the a naught and a n value? a of 0, sorry, a of 0 value is calculated by using this formula, h of capital N minus 1 by 2. How to calculate the a of n? A of n is equal to 2 into h of capital N minus 1 by 2 minus n it is. Here now we are determining the magnitude response. Here what is the magnitude response? Magnitude response of h of e power j omega is what? Magnitude of h bar of e power j omega it is. Already we are observing how to calculate the magnitude of h of e power j omega. From the table we are observing magnitude of h of e power j omega is equal to what? Magnitude of this term it is, means magnitude of h bar of e power j omega it is. Here we are expanding this one. Here we are expanding this h bar of e power j omega. N is equal to 0 to capital N minus 1 by 2. Here capital N value is what? 11, means 0 to 5 it is. Here we are expanding it for 0 to 5 it is. Here n is equal to 0. A of 0 into cos 0 it is. Cos 0 is 1 plus n is equal to 1. A of 1 cos omega it is. N value is 1 plus a of 2 cos 2 omega plus a of 3 cos 3 omega plus a of 4 cos 4 omega and a plus a of 5 cos 5 omega. We are expanding this one. Here h bar of e power j omega becomes like this it is. Here now we are determining the a of 0 value it is. A of 0, how to calculate the a of 0? H of capital N minus 1 by 2 it is. H of capital N minus 1 by 2. Here capital N minus 1 by 2 value is what? 5 it is. H of 5, here a of 0 is equal to h of 5. H of 5 value is what? 0.5 it is. Substituting here, a of 0 value is 0.5. Here similarly a of 1 is equal to what? How to calculate a of 1? By using this formula. Here, n is equal to 1 we are substituting. Here, a of 1 is equal to what? 2 into h of capital N minus 1 by 2 value is what? 5 minus small n value is what? 1 it is equal to 2 into 5 minus 1 is h of 4. What is the h of 4 value? H of 4 value is what? H of 4 is 0. 2 into 0. A of 1 value is 0 it is. Similarly, n is equal to 0. N is equal to 2. 2 into h of, how to calculate that one? By using this formula. 2 into h of 5 minus 2 is equal to 2 into h of 5 minus 2 means 3. 2 into h of 3. What is the h of 3 value? H of 3 value is minus 2 into minus point, h of 3 value is minus 0.3183 it is. Here a of 2 value becomes, a of 2 is equal to minus 0.6366 it is. Here remaining values, h of 2, h of 1, h of 0 is 0 it is. Here we are calculating a of 3 it is. How to calculate the a of 3? By using this formula it is. N is equal to 3 we are substituting. Here a of 3 is equal to what? 2 into h of 5 minus 3 it is. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 into h of 2. H of 2 value is what? 0 it is. 2 into 0. A of 3 value is 0. Similarly, n is equal to 4 means a of 4. A of 4 is equal to what? 2 into h of capital N minus 1 by 2 value is 5. 5 minus 4 it is equal to 2 into small n value is 4 it is. 2 into h of 1. H of 1 value is also 0. A of 4 value is 0 it is. Similarly, n is equal to 5 it is. Here a of 5 is equal to what? 2 into h of capital N minus 1 by 2 is 5 minus small n value is also 5 it is. Here this is equal to 2 into h of 0. This is equal to 2 into 0 it is. A of 5 value is 0. Here now we are substituting n is equal to a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4, a of 5 values in this equation it is. Here the h bar of e power j omega becomes 0.5 minus 0.6366 cos 2 omega it is. Here this is the h bar of e power j omega it is. Here now we are determining magnitude of h of e power j omega, which is equal to what? Magnitude of h bar of e power j omega it is. Here means magnitude of h of e power j omega is equal to what? Magnitude of this one. That means magnitude of this one value is equal to this value it is. 0.5 minus 0.6366 cos 2 omega. Here how to calculate a magnitude of h bar of e power j omega square? Let us I am considering this value is r it is. How to determine magnitude of this one? Square root of real part. This is a total real part it is. Here means r square it is, plus imaginary part is 0. Okay, here square root get cancelled, r it is. Here magnitude of h bar of e power j omega value is what? This one it is, r value. R is this. Here means magnitude of h of e power j omega is equal to what? Magnitude of h bar of e power j omega. This is equal to what? 0.5 minus 0.6366 cos 2 omega it is. Here now we are plotting the magnitude of h of e power j omega in decibels it is. How we can calculate the decibel magnitude of h of e power j omega? It is calculated. How to calculate it? 20 log of magnitude of h of e power j omega it is. Here decibel magnitude of h of e power j omega is equal to 20 log of. Already we are calculating h bar magnitude of h of e power j omega. Here we are substituting magnitude of h of e power j omega. Here decibel magnitude of h of e power j omega is equal to what? 20 log of 0.5 minus 0.6366 cos 2 omega it is. Here now we are drawing the plot it is. It is the plot of what? Decibel magnitude. We are taking decibel magnitude on y-axis and the frequency on x-axis it is. Here we are determining decibel magnitude of h of e power j omega corresponding to the frequency. This omega in degrees it is. This omega in degrees. Here omega, I am preparing table for determination of decibel magnitude of h of e power j omega. On one row I am taking the frequency, on the other row I am taking the magnitude of decibel magnitude of h of e power j omega it is. Here now we are determining magnitude of h of e power j omega for omega is equal to 0 in degrees. Omega in degrees it is 0. I am substituting here it is. Decibel magnitude corresponding to this frequency we are determining. Here we are substituting omega is equal to 0 here it is, and simplifying this value. This value is equal to what? Minus 17.3 decibels it is. The decibel magnitude of this one is equal to what? For omega is equal to 0, minus 17.3 it is. Here similarly 20, 30, 45, 60, 75, for every 15 degrees or 20 degrees you have to calculate this value it is. Here I am calculating first 0 degrees, 20 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150, 160, 180. Here we are taking omega ranging from what? 0 to pi it is. 0 to 180 degrees. Here for 20 degrees. Next we are determining substituting omega is equal to 20 degrees in above equation. We are solving this value corresponding to this omega. This value, this is equal to what? Minus 38.17 decibels. This is the decibel magnitude of h of e power j omega. For omega is equal to 20 degrees it is. Similarly we are determining for 30 degrees, 45, 60, 75 and so on, like this it is. Then we are plotting the magnitude plot it is. Here on x-axis we are taking omega, on y-axis we are taking decibel magnitude it is. Decibel magnitude of h of e power j omega it is. Here for 0 degrees, here 0, 10 decibels, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, minus 50 decibels it is. Here at 0 degrees, at 0 frequency, decibel magnitude is what? Minus 17.3 it is. Here simply we are taking points, dot marks it is. Similarly, minus 20 degrees. 20 degrees minus 38.17. Minus 38.17. Here and locate all those points in the all those points corresponding to all those decibel magnitudes corresponding to frequencies it is. After locating points, join all those points by freehand it is. Freehand. This is the sketch of decibel magnitude of frequency response. This is the frequency response of band pass filter it is. Frequency magnitude response of band pass filter, band pass FIR filter it is.